When a new academic year starts, we all come up with a lot of new rules, a lot of new resolutions, a lot of new changes. We buy a lot of things and we again sit back and make a lot of decisions on what and how to go about the new academic year, especially when we are homeschooling. Well, like many out there, even I thought of a lot of changes, and especially in making children more attentive, or you can say more attractive towards their daily course and studies, especially. Well, in the very first thing that I did is I renovated the kids' room. Earlier, children were sitting at the dining table. They used to sit at the dining table. They used to do their everyday lessons, their studies, be it their homework, or even all activities were done on the dining table. Now, as part of the room renovation, I bought a study table. The room is just a 10 by 10. So I was thinking how to renovate a 10 by 10 room. All I wanted was it should be a place where we sleep, as we all sleep together. The kids are not yet trained to sleep alone or separate. So we need enough space that we all four, two adult and two children, we can sleep comfortably in the room. We need a study table and we need wardrobes for the kids where all their clothes are going, and we need storage for their toys. So I wanted everything to be put in together when I was thinking about the renovation of the room.
So the first thing I did is I replaced two cupboards which were here on this wall. I replaced them with these two chest of drawers. So I felt not to make a huge wardrobe over there. Wardrobes will make the room look covered up with lot of huge furnitures, and it will also make the room look small. Now these drawers are convenient and they are compact. At the same time, the storage capacity is more when compared to a wardrobe. It's easy for kids to keep their clothes, and they can anytime take out the clothes and put them back as per their requirement. In a wardrobe, whenever kids take the clothes out, there is always a mess that happens. Everything will fall off if they are in a hurry. Kids are not so much comfortable to take out the clothes by themselves. So in drawers, it is easy without any mess. They easily take and they are comfortable with these drawers. It is of their height, and the color white, again, it looks good and it also makes the room look elegant. So the entire wall is now free. Instead of a huge wardrobe, these two drawers and some shelves are put up on this wall. Again, they are open shelves, and even they are used up as storage now. They are stationaries, maybe some of their toys, or some few things like chargers and stuffs they can keep over there. Again, the walls are painted. We did it by ourselves. These are DIY paintings. So if you see, the wardrobes are on one of the wall over the side, and down we have put mattress. We all four are comfortably sleeping down on mattresses. So it is cozy and comfortable for all four of us. Again, these mats are used by kids to play with their toys during their playtime. So that space is used for kids to sleep as well as to play with the toys. Well, so now coming to our study table. So this is a study table on the another wall. So we have a blue bin. You can say it's a storage box, a blue color big storage box in which we have kept all their toys which are bigger in size. Like they have lot of cars, remote cars, and 3D models of cars. So all of them are put in this big storage. So it is inside that for now. And the remaining toys we have kept it on the study table. Like we have lot of puzzles, legos, jengas and blocks. All these are kept on this particular space for now. And all the books are kept here. The books, only those set of books which are used by them daily or every week, only these books are kept here. The remaining books, we do have another bookshelf in our living room, so other books are kept there. I used some discarded containers from the kitchen as storage for them. And if you see, this is a chocolate spread jar. It was a glass jar, so I'm using it for them to keep their pencils, pens and all. I used children's sock to cover this glass jar. So because of the sock, it is easy and kids can use it comfortably. It won't slip from their hands and fall because it's a glass jar. And it also looks good you putting a sock on a glass jar. And children have their Bibles here. They both have their own Bibles. Now coming to the drawers which was available in this desk, there are 3 drawers. One has a tab and all the chargers are kept in the first one. All the art supplies again are kept inside. And some of their small cars, they have a lot of toys, lot of cars. So those cars and remotes are kept in few bags here. So well, this is a twin desk. It's a twin desk even where adults can sit and work on. So I liked it very much. I bought the chest of drawers and this twin desk from a website named Woodbus. The quality is really good, and the overall look and the finish and the way it feels when you are using these are really good. These are few little changes we did in the room to give a comfortable start for the new academic session.